How to transfer crypto from funding to spot on Binance. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer crypto from funding wallet to spot wallet on Binance. So let's get started. This is useful if you have bought crypto through P2P or received a deposit and want to start trading on the spot market. So funds in the funding wallet need to be moved to the spot wallet before they can be used for spot trading. So first of all, you got to open the Binance application and log into your account. Then you got to click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Here, you got to click on more services and you'll be able to see various services. So you got to search for the service of transfer. If you're not able to find that in the list, you can simply utilize the search bar at the top. Simply click on that and type in transfer. Here is transfer. So you got to simply click on that. And now you'll be able to see two sections. One will be from and the other is to. So you got to select funding to spot. So in the transfer window, you got to set from to funding wallet and to spot wallet. If the wallets are reversed, you got to tap the swap arrows to change the transfer direction. Next, you got to select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. So let's say you want to transfer USDT, you can simply select that. And once done, you're going to enter the amount or tap max to move your entire balance and then tap confirm transfer. The transfer should be completed instantly and there are usually no fees for moving funds between Binance wallets. Once completed, check your spot balance to make sure your crypto has arrived.